Hey everybody, Nolan with Black Diamond Services. I'm out in Oakdale at Abbey Carpets. I'm actually going to be cleaning their carpet floors right here for them to help maintain their showroom. And I have actually used them personally, and so I highly suggest them if you're in the Oakdale or Stanislaus, San Joaquin County area. If you need new floors, whether it's carpet or hard surface floors, they got it and can take care of you. Like I said, I have personally used them, so I'm not just saying this because they're having me clean their carpets, but I've had them install carpet at my own personal residence, and they did a great job. And so I do recommend them, and they've been so kind to do the same for me. So I want to personally shout out to Cheryl and Scott for being so generous and forwarding Black Diamond Services to their clients for keeping their carpets and other floors up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started and get their showroom carpet taken care of for them. So starting with vacuuming as usual. Change the plug area. businesses have a lot of regular traffic, so usually they need to have their carpets done a little more frequently than your residential carpet. So let's see what that little amount of carpet had at this company. So not too bad. Apparently it's been a couple years. I could definitely tell as far as the sight glass on the wand was looking fairly brown, the water coming through. So definitely needs a little more frequency, and that's what we're gonna set them up on. At this place, we're gonna be doing every 6 months. Now, if you're a homeowner and you're wondering how often you should clean your carpets, it really does depend on how much traffic in the house is. So how many people are in the home? Do you have any pets? Because manufacturers are gonna suggest between 12 and 18 months. And we are gonna suggest a higher frequency if you have, you know, a couple large dogs and say 2 or 3 kids, 2 adults. You might want to consider 6 or 9 months. It really does depend. Can you get away with once a year? Yes, but you need to make sure that you're vacuuming your carpets frequently, at least twice a week, I would say. So thank you so much for watching. I want to give another shout out to Abbey Carpets of Oakdale, California, for trusting Black Diamond Services to clean their floors. Again, I have had them install 3 rooms of carpet at my old house. They did a great job, so I greatly appreciate them as well. They refer us quite a bit. If you are a local company and you want to get free gift cards to give out to your clients, or you're a real estate agent and you want those, reach out to us and I'd be happy to meet with you at some point and get those to you. Of course, again, they are free and they do nothing but help benefit your clients. So thank you so much for watching. Nolan with Black Diamond Services. Let's take a look at what was in that carpet. Oh, we definitely need to go there more often. Like I mentioned before, how often you need your flooring, whether it's carpet, tile, luxury vinyl planks, stone, cleaned, depends on how much traffic is in the home. More people, more pets, more frequency is required. If it's just 1 adult, 2 adults, okay, 12 to 18 months is probably okay. But that can even change at that point if you don't vacuum the carpets very often. In my area, it's very dusty. I'm surrounded by a ton of ag, so we get a lot of dust in the valley here in California. So it can still get your carpets looking dirty, and I can still be pulling out brown water like this, even if you don't have a whole lot of traffic. So you really just need to stay on top of your vacuuming, and that will lower the frequency a bit, but you should still have them professionally cleaned, whether it's carpet, tile, upholstery, doesn't matter. Any type of flooring or furniture needs to be cleaned, and you know, once a year at least, to help maintain them. So take that into account when you're getting ready to put new flooring in. You know, hold on to your receipt and consider about a year from the date of install and see, you know, what it's like. Is it really that dirty? Did it really need to be cleaned in a year? Does it need to be cleaned more often? You know, if you vacuum a couple times a week, that will determine a little better on how often you need to clean. Because if you got a large dog like a German Shepherd or some cats, you know, that pet dander can build up quick. Even after a week in the house, it can, you know, get to be a lot. So if you vacuum and you get a lot of it out, your carpet will stay cleaner longer, and you're getting the little grains of soil, sand out of the carpet that gets tracked in, you know, daily from coming in and out of the house, because that stuff acts like sandpaper and abrades the fibers, and that's how you get your traffic wear in your walk paths from walking over it. The fibers slowly untwist, and it looks darker in those areas even after a professional cleaning. So the more you vacuum, the lower likely that's gonna happen as quick, and of course the quality of carpet that you purchased is going to determine that as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this information was useful, This is also coming straight from installers and manufacturers. 12 to 18 months is what they suggest, and if you have a warranty, require to have it professionally cleaned by a company that doesn't do a cleaning method that will basically void the warranty. So, you know, ask questions, call the installer that did the flooring, and see who they suggest in your area. They may have somebody that can help you, so that way you know it's getting done well and done the right way. Thank you so much, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. If you are in our area, Stanislaus, San Joaquin County, and a couple cities surrounding that area, we do service you. Give us a call, 209-264-8898. We are family owned and operated, and we appreciate your business. And thank you to all that are subscribed to our channel. Whether you're in our area or not, it does truly help when you watch the videos and you subscribe. So thank you so much. That gets us out there further, and we have earned some clients based off of YouTube. So thank you so much. One in Lodi, if you're watching, you know who you are. Thank you for using us constantly. I appreciate you. So until next time, you guys take care.